Welcome to Motfoot English.
Oxford Vocabulary. Face, face, the front part of the head, or the expression on it. Fact, fact, a thing that is known or proven to be true. Fall, fall, to drop down or descend freely by the force of gravity. Family, family, a group of people related by blood, marriage, or adoption. Fast, fast, moving at high speed, or a period of not eating food. Fat, fat, having a lot of body fat or being large in size. Father, father, a male parent. Feel, feel, to experience an emotion or physical sensation. Few, few, a small number of something. Find, find, to discover something by searching or by chance. First, first, coming before all others in time or order. Five, five, the number between 4 and 6. Follow, follow, to move behind someone or something, or to come after. Food, food, anything that is eaten to provide nutrition. For, used to indicate the purpose of something, or to show who something is intended for. Force, force, physical strength or power, or a power that can influence or change something. Forget, forget, to fail to remember something. Form, form, the shape or structure of something, or to create or arrange something. Free, free, not controlled or restricted, or without cost. Friend, friend, a person whom you like and trust. From, used to show the origin or source of something. Front, front, the part that is first or facing forward. Full, full, containing as much as possible or having no space left. Fun, fun, enjoyment, amusement, or light-hearted pleasure. Future, future, the time that comes after the present. Few, few, a small number of people or things. Factor, factor, an element or part that contributes to a result or situation. Face, face, to confront or deal with something, or the front of something. Finish, finish, to bring something to an end or completion. Fit, fit, to be the right size or shape for something, or in good physical condition. 5, a number equal to 5. Follow, follow, to go after something or someone, or to observe and pay attention to something.